Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I saw a picture on Instagram that Makeup by Alina created and I wanted to recreate it today. So if you want to check hers out, it's Makeup by Alina. And this is my version. I'll be posting on Instagram as well. So if you want to see how I recreated her look, please keep watching. So as always, I'm going to start by priming my lid using Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. You want to make sure to bring this all the way up to the brow bone because shadow is going to go up there as well. And to set this, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. And I'm going to take this on my Beau Belle E1 brush. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to start by highlighting my brow bone, and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Single Eyeshadow in Sateen. And I'm going to take this on my Morphe JH39 brush. It's just a tiny little pencil brush. Next, I'm going to go into the single shadow Blazing. And I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush for that. I want to start out light. I'm going to go right into my crease with this and bring it up. I'm also going to bring this color out in sort of a wing. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills A26 brush. This is a clean brush and I'm just going to use it to take away that line that I just created between the highlighter and the Blazing. Next, I'm going to go in with the Single Shadow Beauty Mark. These are all by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to be going in with this fluffy crease brush. It's by Morphe, but this is the one with no number. And I'm going to keep this lower than Blazing. So before I go in with the next color, I'm actually going to go in again with Blazing, and I'm going to get some of that on my lid. Then I'm going to take this Morphe S28 smudger brush, pick up some of that Blazing, and smudge it on my lash line. And I'm going to pick up some of that brown on the same brush, Beauty Mark, and smudge that on as well. A little bit closer to the lash line this time. So next I'm going to take this Morphe M508. It's a really small smudger brush. And I'm going to pick up some of the Noir single shadow, and that's just pure black. I'm going to take a little bit and go right in my crease. And I'm going to wing it out. Like that, but also connecting it to the bottom here. So I'm going to smudge out my lash line as well. I'm going to take that small pencil brush that I used to highlight my brow bone, the JH39, and smudge out this black. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of the black using this brush. I'm gonna also go back in with Beauty Mark on that crease brush. And also blending it out down here. And just keep repeating this process until you get the perfect blackness that you want. And I'm going to take some black on that M508 brush and just draw a line on my lash line. Then I'm going to clean that brush off really quick, just wipe it off and use it to just smudge this black out. I'm going to go in with this Morphe S20 pencil brush and pick up some blazing just to blend that out. So next I'm going to draw a line in my crease, making a wing and just making an outline basically of my eye. And I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Beige. And I'm going to apply this using a small brush from the craft store. I got this one from Michael's. It's just thin and it'll help me get it precise. Don't worry if you get it out of line, you can just go over with the black after. So now what I'm going to do is try and rub away any of that concealer that I got on the black that is out of place. Just gonna smooth it out. I'm gonna take that little M508, take a tiny bit of black, so don't worry if you mess up a little bit, there's almost always a way to fix it. So then I'm gonna go back in and just fix up those lines. I'm gonna take more of that black. Also gonna take a little bit of the brown because as I get towards the inside, it's more brown. So before I move on to the other eye, I'm gonna go into this line using Anastasia Beverly Hills Metallic Lustre Liner in Liquid Gold. And I'm actually just gonna break off the tip onto the back of my hand and go in with that same liner brush. It's a really soft product, so you'll be able to do this easily. And trace that line. So next I'm just going to do the shadow under my eyes. And I'm going to go in with blazing on my Morphe S20 pencil brush. And just blend that out on the bottom. Next I'm going to take my Morphe S28 smudger brush. And I'm going to take Beauty Mark. And smudge that out as well. Now I'm going to go into my bottom lash line with Tarte's Tarteist Double Take Liner in the kohl end. And I'm just going to smudge that in the bottom. And I'm going to take that little M508 and some black shadow and just smudge this color out. So next for lashes, I'm going to be using Lily Lashes in Monaco. So now for mascara, I'm going to go in with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang. And for my inner corner, I'm going to be going in with Sateen again. Just going to pick some of this up on my pinky. Quickly before I do my lips, I'm going to go back in with that Tarte liner, and I'm going to use that thin eyeliner brush again. Pick up some of that kohl liner because I'm going to extend my inner corner just a little bit. And lastly for lips, I'm going to use MAC's lip liner in Chestnut and Huda Beauty's liquid lip in Girlfriend. This is just so there's a dark shadow on the outside. I don't actually want it to be this brown. And then I'm going to go over that with Girlfriend. And this is the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. It took a lot longer than I expected, but I do like the outcome. If you want to recreate this look, give yourself a good amount of time. Anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Hopefully, I'll see you guys in my next one.